Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bulk Pokemon card singles to Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just getting started with Whatnot and you're selling raw singles. How do you actually go ahead and add, let's say, 150 cards? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now what you're going to do first is that you're going to access Whatnot, and then from here, you're going to click on Account on the bottom right hand corner, and then click on Inventory. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on that plus button on the bottom right hand corner. And so I'm not going to go through every single step here. You can basically just add your photos, select Pokemon cards, select the category detail. But what you need to do here is that if you have 150 raw singles, you're going to select the quantity available and keep clicking on the plus button until it reaches 150. So this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and add bulk Pokemon cards to your Whatnot stream. What this does is that once you actually add the quantity, it's going to number your cards in order starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how you see people number cards as their products all the way up to the thousands, is that they basically just add a quantity available and they add a lot. Now to give you an idea of what that looks like, if I go into orders, you can see here that it says Pokemon card singles number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. I don't add those in manually. I just add the quantity number and then it numbers itself. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add Pokemon card singles to Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll